The financial world is changing rapidly, and new technologies are redefining how money moves across the internet. One of the most exciting developments today is the rise of PayFi, short for payment finance, where payments and financial services merge into one real-time digital system. At the center of this innovation is Zebec network and the growing conversation around X money. If these two ecosystems ever connect, we could be looking at what many people call the PayFi endgame. But before we go deeper, make sure you watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to Satoshi Guy for more crypto insights and updates. First, let's talk about X money. The platform is already building a powerful financial experience. In its beta stage, X money has introduced features that rival many fintech apps and even some traditional banks. Users can receive direct deposits with early paycheck access, earn around 6% APY on balances with qualifying deposits, and enjoy FDIC insurance up to $250,000 through partnerships with regulated banking institutions. On top of that, the platform is preparing premium financial tools, like a metal debit card offering cashback rewards, no foreign transaction fees, and fast payment rails such as Visa Direct. The system also supports creator payouts and instant peer-to-peer payments, making it highly attractive for influencers, freelancers, and digital entrepreneurs. Compared to apps like Venmo or Cash App, X money already looks like a step toward the everything app, vision that many believe could reshape the internet economy. However, even with these impressive features, there is still one limitation: traditional payment settlement systems. Most banking infrastructure still relies on batch processing systems such as ACH, where payments are grouped and processed at specific intervals. This means that even early paychecks are still tied to legacy settlement timelines. This is exactly where Zebec network enters the picture. Zebec network is a blockchain-based financial infrastructure designed to enable real-time streaming payments. Instead of sending money in large chunks at scheduled intervals, Zebec allows funds to flow continuously second by second as value is created, earnings instantly every second rather than waiting until the end of the week or month. That's the core concept behind Zebec's PayFi technology. Built primarily on the high-speed blockchain ecosystem of Solana, Zebec focuses on extremely fast transaction processing and low fees. Over time, it has expanded beyond a single chain and now operates across multiple blockchains, supporting dozens of digital assets and financial integrations. This multi-chain approach allows Zebec to connect traditional finance with decentralized finance, creating a bridge between banking systems and programmable digital payments. Now imagine what happens if Zebec's technology powers the payment infrastructure behind X money. One of the biggest transformations would be payroll. Currently, most employees receive salaries weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Even in modern fintech platforms, the earliest access to funds usually depends on when banks process payroll files. With Zebec, payroll could become continuous. Employers could send funds into a Zebec payment stream, and the platform would distribute income to workers in real time as they perform their jobs. Gig workers, freelancers, and creators would especially benefit from this system because their earnings could start flowing instantly rather than waiting days or weeks. Another powerful use case involves debit cards. Zebec has already launched multi-chain debit cards that can be used in over 100 countries. If this capability integrates with X money's premium card system, users could spend money directly from streaming income. Imagine working during the day and seeing your available card balance increase in real time as you earn. By the time you finish a task, the money is already available to spend. That creates a completely new financial experience where income, spending, and savings are continuously connected. Programmable payments are another area where Zebec could unlock major innovation. For example, creators on X could receive payments per view, per like, or per engagement automatically. Instead of waiting for monthly payouts, revenue could flow instantly as audiences interact with content. Subscription models could also change. Rather than charging users a fixed monthly fee, services could charge continuously based on usage. Similar to how electricity or water billing works, cross-border payments would also benefit. By using stable coins and blockchain settlement, international remittances could move instantly without the delays and high fees associated with traditional banking transfers. Importantly, Zebec is not just a small DeFi experiment. The project has positioned itself to work alongside regulated financial institutions and payment networks. It is part of payment innovation initiatives within the traditional financial industry and has been building enterprise payroll integrations capable of handling large transaction volumes. This focus on compliance and real-world financial infrastructure makes Zebec compatible with platforms that operate within regulated environments. And this is where the larger ecosystem comes into play. If we look at the broader vision of Elon Musk, the goal has long been to transform X into an all-in-one digital platform combining social media, Payments, commerce, and financial services. Imagine real-time payroll for employees at companies like Tesla or SpaceX, integrated directly into a global financial platform. Creator payments on X could happen instantly. AI-driven financial systems from XAI could automate payment flows, treasury management, and digital commerce across the internet.